mixing bowl, add 1 block of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of softened butter, and 2/3 cup of sugar. Using a handheld mixer or stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, mix until smooth and well combined. Now, add 1 cup of peanut butter, 3 ripe mashed bananas. I actually blend mine in a food processor for the smoothest consistency, 1/2 cup of sourdough discard, and 2 large eggs. Mix again until incorporated. Then turn the speed up to medium-high and whip the mixture until everything is smooth and pale brown in color. Set aside. To a smaller bowl, add 1½ cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk to combine. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and fold to gently and almost completely incorporate. Last, fold about 1 cup of chocolate chips into the mixture. I am using an entire 9-ounce bag in mine, which is just over 1 cup of chocolate. Pour the mixture into a greased bundt pan and smooth out the top. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. And there you have it, peanut butter chocolate chip sourdough banana bread. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.